Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 of class 5, that is unitary method. In this chapter we learn apply the concept of unitary method, find the value of multiple units from the value of a unit, find the value of unit from the value of a multiple units. When the cost of one object is given, multiply the cost of one object with the number of objects to find the cost of given number of objects. When the cost of several objects is given, divide the cost of several objects by the number of objects to find the unit price. There are 6 sketch pens in a pack. There are 5 such packs. How many pens are there in total? Look at the picture here. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 which equals to 30. We found the answer by doing repeated addition. Repeated addition is also called multiplication. The cost of one pack is rupees 20. What is the cost of 5 packs? That is equals to 5 into rupees 20 which equals to rupees 100. Unitary method. Unit is a single object. The word unitary is derived from the word unit. The unitary method is a method of using the value of a unit to find the value of many units. This method is also used to find the value of one unit given the value of many units. Finding the cost of articles. When unit rate is given, the cost of one article is called the unit rate or unit price. We can calculate the cost of any number of articles by multiplying the number of articles with the unit price. Look at the example here. The cost of one chair is rupees 450. Find the cost of 6 such chairs. The cost of one chair is rupees 450. The cost of 6 chairs is equals to 6 into rupees 450 which equals to rupees 2700. Hence the cost of 6 chairs is rupees 2700. When the cost of a certain number of articles is given, we need to first calculate the unit price of that article by dividing the cost by the number of articles. We can then find the price of desired number of articles. Look at the example here. The cost of 8 books is rupees 400. Find the cost of one book. The cost of 8 books is rupees 400. The cost of one book is rupees 400 by 8 which equals to rupees 50. Hence the cost of one book is rupees 50. Example 2. The cost of 100 kg of flour is rupees 3750. Find the cost of 20 kg of flour. The cost of 100 kg of flour is rupees 3750. The cost of 1 kg of flour is rupees 3750 is divisible by 100 which equals to rupees 37.50. The cost of 20 kg of flour is 20 into rupees 37.50 which equals to rupees 750. Hence the cost of 20 kg of flour is rupees 750. The cost of 20 racquets is rupees 5000. Find the cost of one racquet. Solution. Cost of 20 racquets is rupees 5000. Therefore, cost of one racquet is rupees 5000 is divisible by 20. Now, rupees 5000 is divisible by 20 250 times. Hence, the cost of one racquet is rupees 250. The cost of 25 pens is rupees 6250. Find the cost of one pen. Solution. The cost of 25 pens is rupees 6250. Therefore, the cost of one pen is rupees 6250 is divisible by 25. Now, 6250 is divisible by 25 250 times. Therefore, the cost of one pen is rupees 250. The cost of 9 soap dishes is rupees 81.36. Find the cost of one soap dish. Solution. The cost of 9 soap dishes is rupees 81.36. Therefore, the cost of one soap dish is rupees 81.36 is divisible by 9. Here, 81.36 is divisible by 9.04 times. So hence the cost of one soap dish is rupees 9.04. The cost of 24 chairs is rupees 3600. Find the cost of 36 such chairs. Solution: the cost of 24 chairs is rupees 3600. Therefore, cost of one chair is rupees 3600 is divisible by 24 times. Here 12 divides 24 2 times and 12 divides 3600 300 times. Again 2 divides 2 1 time and again 2 divides 300 150 times, which equals to rupees 150. Hence the cost of 36 chairs is equals to rupees 150 into 36, which equals to rupees 5400. The cost of 1 dozen oranges is rupees 240. Find the cost of 6 oranges. Here solution is: the cost of 1 dozen oranges is rupees 240. 1 dozen equals to 12 oranges. Therefore, the cost of 1 orange is rupees 240 is divisible by 12. Now rupees 240 is divisible by 12. 12 divides 240 20 times, which equals to rupees 20. Hence the cost of 6 oranges is rupees 20 into 6, which equals to rupees 120. A truck travels 350 kilometers in 7 hours. How much distance will it travel in 6 hours? Solution: distance traveled in 7 hours is equals to 350 kilometers. Distance traveled in 1 hour is equals to 350 kilometers is divisible by 7. That is 350 kilometers by 7. Now 350 is divisible by 7 50 times, which equals to 50 kilometers. Therefore, distance traveled in 6 hours is equals to 6 into 50 kilometers, which equals to 300 kilometers. The weight of 8 bags is 560 kg. What will be the weight of 6 such bags? Solution: the weight of 8 bags is equals to 560 kg. Therefore, weight of 1 bag is equals to 560 kg by 8. Now 560 kg is divisible by 8 70 times, which equals to 70 kg. Hence weight of 6 such bags equals to 60 into 70 kg, which equals to 420 kg.